Alright, everybody, it's Connie Session again. This is In the Kitchen. As Alan and Allay sit at the kitchen table, Heather Long walks into the other room and came back with four checks. The first two checks were $250 apiece, and two more for 35 grand. I could rip up this check for $250 and you could go for the grand prize. 3,500. It would be down payment on a car, a house, entertainment, vacation bills, education. Errands. Oh. Investments. Envelopes. And charity. Whatever you want. Oh, donations. Charity. Whatever you want. She said unto them. They said, cut even more out, even capital more. No next offer. There's no guarantee that we'll be alive a second night. Here is your check. So they left with their necks, with their checks, and the grave keepers, and the grounds keepers.